They're not sponsoring me, to let you know your girl be on a budget and love a discount.
Dip me underway. You can kill my mind for flow. Hold me till I scream forever. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
What's up, my Lena babes? It's your girl Lena Mariah. If you're new to the freaking channel, welcome back to my channel, my Lena babes. How you girls are doing? Y'all, you see the title, you know what's finna go on. Your girl finna do a fashion overhaul. Y'all are so excited. This is like a part one, because I'm gonna have like 3 different parts. So we're just gonna stay with part one because I just ordered these and I'm like, why not share with y'all? But before we even get into this haul, ladies, if you're new to the channel, subscribe to the family because we lit over here, baby. Make sure you click that bell. It'll know if I'm posting new freaking videos. And like my video. Like, why not? I'm a lit ass bitch. And lastly, share my video. Like, tell me you got a lit ass girl over here. Okay, y'all, let's get into this goddamn haul because I'm out of breath. I'm trying to do TikTok too. So let's get into it. Okay, ladies, first thing first is this cute denim jacket. Excuse the attire, but y'all gonna see this until I throw clothes on, okay? But I got this cute little denim jacket, ladies. It have gold, I say gold, I'm stupid. It got silver little buttons over there. It's a cute little denim jacket if you're on the go. Like, y'all, this is so cute. So let's go on to the next little fit. All right, ladies, next thing is this camo jacket with the silver buttons. Y'all, I love it because, y'all, you can't never go wrong with a camo. You can't never go wrong with the camo. Look at it. Look at it. Ooh, ha, ha, ah, ooh. Y'all, let's go on to the next little fit. All right, ladies, so your girl got some cute little bell bottom jeans on. You can't really see them, but this is how they're looking. This is how they're looking. If you can notice in the background, y'all, it's the kiddo. But I'm gonna drop it so you can actually see what the bottom look like. So let's go and drop the camera. So y'all see them bum ass bottoms. So let's get into the next little bit. All right, ladies, so I'm back with the next pair of jeans. These are some cute white skinny legs, y'all, high-waisted. These look so good in the light. And y'all, I really don't have to drop the camera for these because these are skinny legs, but they are tall girl friendly. So I'm just gonna drop the camera so you can see how long they are. Cause your girl is 5'8", so you know if I'm 5'8" and they long on me, they'll be long on you too. So let's drop the camera. Okay, ladies, this is the next item. These are some cute little leggings, y'all. These are so cute and they fit the body good. Got the booty looking good. Y'all, they got some type of design like a, can't really explain it, but it got like a little, it's like a picture. It reminds me of a Moor. I said Moor, Picasso. There you go. Remind me of Picasso, like a lot of paintings, a lot of colors, flash of paints. This is what it reminds me of. So y'all, I'm feeling it. Ow, not even beat my ass, but ooh, and these are also some cute little tights. So y'all, let's go on to the next and final outfit. All right, ladies, this is the last and final piece. This is a cute little green, silver, and black dress, y'all. The details is giving. It's like an off-the-shoulder type. I feel like you can wear it any type of way. You can style it in multiple ways, I do believe so, but this is what it's looking like. Look at that, ooh. 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 Y'all, I'm feeling this green. This look good. This look good. Wait till I dress it up, put my little undergarments on to suck this right here in. They make this booty sit up. He ain't gonna tell me nothing. I mean, not nothing. But y'all, this is giving. This is giving. Oh, yes, let me see if I can style it a different way. Hold on. Okay. I feel like I can style it like this. They'd be cute. Hold on, you gotta have little titties for this part though. Cause baby, they will fall out. But it's a cute little crossbody or something different. Y'all, I don't know for sure. I don't know for sure if like you can wear it different, but I probably would. But y'all, this is basically the end of this freaking try on haul. Hope you ladies enjoyed it. If you want to know where I got it from, Fashion Nova. Just Just search for it. That's it. Just don't Fashion Nova. They do got like some deals, 70% off or whatever. They're not sponsoring me, to let you know your girl be on a budget and love a discount. So you guys, it's basically the end of this freaking try on haul. If you have watched to the end, you have not subscribed to the family. Subscribe to the family. We lit, baby. Like this video up, you guys, and click that bell. It will know if I'm posting new freaking videos. So y'all, it's a wrap. I'll see you later in the next video. Vlog. Peace.